In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load a reference image into a standard orthographic viewport. If you're modeling or drawing with precision, a clean reference image in the viewport is essential. We'll start by working in one of the standard orthographic views because the reference image only appears in the view you're currently using. Switch to a standard view first. Choose front, top, or right. If you like shortcuts, press F2 for front, F3 for top, or F4 for right. Take a moment to confirm you're actually in the intended view before you move on, since any image you load will be tied to that view alone. Next, open the viewport preferences. The quickest way is to press Shift+V. This brings up the settings that control how your current viewport behaves and what it displays. You'll see several tabs here. Click the Back tab. This is where we'll set a background image that sits behind your geometry, ideal for tracing, matching proportions, or aligning parts. Now it's time to load your image. In the Back tab, click the Image field or the ellipsis button next to it. This opens a file browser. Navigate to the reference image you want to use, such as a front blueprint, a top schematic, or a side profile, and select it. After you confirm your choice, the image will appear directly in your current viewport. If you don't see the image immediately, double-check that you're still in the same orthographic view where you loaded it. Remember, each view manages its own backdrop independently, so the front view won't automatically share the image with the top or right views. With the image visible, you can fine-tune it back in the Back tab. Adjust the size to match your scene's scale, and use position settings to nudge the image left, right, up, or down, so key features line up with your grid or existing geometry. If available, tweak opacity or brightness to keep the image readable without overpowering your model. A slightly lower opacity often makes edge tracing easier. Keep an eye on the aspect ratio so your reference doesn't stretch. Maintaining correct proportions ensures your model stays true to the source. As you work, keep in mind that this background lives only in the viewport for reference. It won't render with your final output, and it won't show in other views unless you repeat the same process there. When everything feels aligned and comfortable to trace against, you're ready to start modeling with confidence using your newly placed reference image.